What's going on, travelers? Eric here with the All-Inclusive Exclusive, and today we're diving into one of the hottest topics in travel, everything you need to know about all-inclusive resorts. If you've ever wondered what exactly is included, how to avoid hidden fees, or even if those fancy cocktails by the pool are free, you're in the right spot. So grab your flip-flops, a tropical drink, and let's get started. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tips and tricks for your next all-inclusive adventure. Let's kick things off with the big question. What exactly does all-inclusive actually mean? Well, at most resorts, it covers accommodations, meals, drinks, and some activities. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the catch. Not all packages are created equal. Some resorts might only include basic meals and drinks. Others offer gourmet dining, premium liquor, and luxurious spa services, all as part of your all-inclusive package. Always check the fine print or look for trusted reviews on sites like TripAdvisor or Google Reviews before booking. And a little tip I have, always look for resorts that include 24-hour room service and a variety of dining options for the best experience. Most do nowadays, but you want to make sure you're not missing out on anything offered by most resorts' all-inclusive packages. Next up, let's talk about the drinks. Yes, most all-inclusive resorts include alcoholic beverages, but here's the deal. The type of alcohol varies. Some places stick to the house brands, while others offer premium spirits for free. If sipping on a top-shelf margarita is a must, make sure the resort explicitly lists premium liquor is included on their website. And a pro tip, some resorts have a club level or VIP package that grants you access to better drinks, exclusive lounges, or even a private butler. Totally worth it if you're celebrating something or just want a special one-of-a-kind experience. Now let's talk food. Because if you're like me, it's one of the most important parts of an all-inclusive vacation. Most all-inclusive resorts offer a mix of buffet and a la carte dining options. Buffets are great for variety, but the real magic happens at the specialty restaurants. Now, here's the heads up. Some resorts require you to make special reservations for certain restaurants, and trust me, those spots fill up fast. Book your reservations as soon as you check in, or better yet, email the resort or your concierge ahead of time to secure your spots. And don't forget to ask if room service is included, because midnight pizza and nachos after margaritas is kind of a must. Another question I get all the time is what kind of activities are included? Well, here's the down and dirty. Most resorts include non-motorized water sports like kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling. You'll also find things like fitness classes, dance lessons, and nightly entertainment are included. But activities like jet skiing, parasailing, spa treatments, those come with an extra fee. If you're looking to stay active, check out the resort's activity calendar or download their app to see what's going on. And if relaxing with a massage is more your speed, keep an eye out for the resorts that include spa credits as part of their package. My recommendation would be that you not book your spa time in advance, because you may be able to get a better deal when they're trying to sell you on it by the pool. All right, let's get real. No one likes surprise charges on their bill. While all-inclusive packages are designed to be straightforward, there can be hidden fees. Common ones include resort fees, taxes, and gratuities. Some resorts include gratuities in the upfront price, while others expect you to tip staff throughout your stay. A pro tip is to bring a mix of small bills for tipping. You'll be surprised at how far a little bit of generosity goes with your waitstaff and housekeeping service. Now let's talk about Wi-Fi. Many resorts offer free basic Wi-Fi, but do have the option to upgrade to high-speed internet. So if staying connected is important, make sure to check those details with the resort before you book. All right, travelers, let's wrap this up with a few quick tips. Number one, make sure you check the cancellation policies. Plans change, and you want to make sure your resort has a flexible cancellation option. Number two, bring your own travel mug. Many resorts serve drinks in a small cup, and a reusable mug keeps your drink colder longer. Number three is to book excursions and restaurants early. Whether it's snorkeling with turtles, a sunset cruise, a steak dinner, make sure to book these things ahead of time to avoid disappointment. And number four, pack smart. Don't forget sunscreen, water shoes, a beach bag, and clothes for your favorite restaurants in case they have a dress code. Now it's your turn. What's your biggest question about all-inclusive resorts? Drop it in the comments below, and I'll make sure to answer. I want to thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video, travelers. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone planning their next tropical getaway. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more all-inclusive tips and tricks. And until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.